With the release of Sage CRM version 7.1, the interactive dashboard gained some significant features, including flexible layouts. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to take advantage of flexible layouts, so let's jump right in and get started. Here we have an example of a fixed layout, and let's take a quick look at some of its features so we can better understand the differences between fixed and flexible. With the fixed layout, we have a 3-column grid to place our gadgets. We can reposition a gadget by dragging and dropping it to any of the grid slots, and it'll snap into place. If you want to widen a gadget to view more information, you can't do so by grabbing an edge. Instead, you'll need to click the maximize icon, and you'll need to minimize it in order to view other gadgets on the dashboard. Note that you can grab the bottom of a gadget to enlarge it vertically, but when you leave and return to the dashboard, you'll find that it resets itself to the original size. So now that we've reviewed the characteristics of the fixed layout, let's take a look at the new flexible layout. We'll start by creating a new dashboard. To do this, we'll click New Dashboard, Create Dashboard. Under Type, we have Fixed and Flexible Layout, and we'll choose Flexible. Since we're logged in as Susan May, we'll name it Susan's Dashboard. And for category, let's put it under Management, then click OK. Now we're prompted to select some of the pre-built gadgets, and we'll choose My Calendar, My Tasks, and Sage CRM Community News, and hit OK. Here the difference between the flexible and fixed layouts is readily apparent. With fixed layouts, the 3 gadgets would have been automatically positioned into the grid slots across the first row. But as you can see, with the flexible layout, the gadgets appear on the dashboard as if they were dealt from a deck of cards. So unlike the fixed layout, now it's up to us to do the initial positioning. Notice that we're able to put a gadget anywhere on the dashboard. They don't even need to line up with other gadgets. And by clicking the pin icon, you can prevent a gadget from being inadvertently moved. Now when we hover over the gadget's header, our cursor no longer displays the move icon. Since it's impractical to have this gadget sitting off by itself, let's go ahead and move it next to the My Calendar gadget. So we'll unpin it and grab it by left-clicking. Notice that when we move it very close to the other gadget and release the left mouse button, it jumps into perfect alignment. It does this because we have snapping turned on. Now, in order to show another significant feature of the flexible layout, we'll add another gadget that will be based on one of our existing reports. To do this, we'll click New Gadget, then Create Gadget. For this demo, we'll select List, then Opportunity, and hit Next. We can base our gadget on a report or saved search, and we'll choose the My Currently Open Opportunities report, and then click Next. Here we'll select all of these items for our gadget, and then hit Next. For drill down, go to List or Report, and for default action, go to Summary Screen, and we'll hit Next again. Let's name it My Open Opportunities, and now we'll click Finish. Let's put it next to My Tasks, and again, because snapping is turned on, it jumps into alignment. This gadget presents a lot of information and it's all scrunched up, but one of the benefits of the flexible layout is that we can expand the gadget's width to see more. To do this, we'll grab the little triangle icon and pull it across the dashboard. We can also expand it vertically, but we'll leave it where it was for this demo. Unlike the fixed layout, the changes you make to your gadget dimensions will not be reset when you leave the dashboard. Note that you can still click the Maximize button to temporarily expand the gadget across the dashboard. Now let's go ahead and lock the position and width of our gadget by hitting the pin icon. Notice that the triangle switches to a pin in the lower right corner, so it's easy to tell if a gadget's position has been locked. And that completes our tutorial on the interactive dashboard flexible layout. Give us a call if you need assistance with this or any other feature in your Sage CRM system. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.